She's pooping.
Ella toots.
Oh boy.
Can you smile? Okay. I love you. Oh. Say love you. You wanna go? Oh.
Three.
What's that?
Oh. Blah blah. Boop, 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 boop.
Right there. Okay.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, you're I see it on your face. Oh, okay. You're jammy.
She's moving her feet.
Oh.
I think she pooping. She's pooping.
Oh.
Kidding. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey. Kid. Get off your phone. Get off your phone. Get off. No. Noodles.
Noodles.
I don't want to wake her up. Take that.
Bauer, how's dinner? How's your dinner?
Hello. Hello.
Mama.
Ah!
Oh. Just like your daddy.
All right, take the top off. You take the top off, Emmy? Here. Take the top off. Right there. Oh dear.
Josiah, are you stuck? Josiah, are you stuck? You're being silly. Here.
Mom, I did it!
It's a pickle. It's cute, look.
We're about to do bubbles for the first time ever. We're gonna do some bubbles. I hope everyone got to hear that. Oh boy, that was funny. See, I passed a little bit of gas. I did. Alright. Opening up the bubbles. Are you excited? Ready? What was that? Touch it? Can you touch it? You don't quite know what to think about the bubbles, do you?